I get a lot of people who come to me and say, I sound really boring, my voice is flat. The first thing that I look at, what is the pace at which they speak? If I speak to you in the same speed all the time, after some time your brain is going to predict a pattern, and when it predicts a pattern, it's going to be like, I cannot listen to this anymore. Then some people are like running in a bullet train. I don't know what their hurry is in life. They're like really rushing, talking so fast that it's an overwhelm to listen to them. So, too slow, boring. Is this guy stupid? Why is he taking so long to process his words? Too fast, overwhelm, not very engaging. So there are two things you want to do. One is develop your controlled pace. Whenever you feel that you are going to get nervous and you will end up speaking very fast, that's the time when you need to go to your controlled pace. But you also need to have a controlled pace where you go a little bit faster. You're building up a story, you're building up some suspense, you are creating some excitement, some energy. By all means, go fast, but make sure that you take pauses. There is a reason that we talk about pausing and pacing together. Even if you speak fast, your only goal is, can my audience understand me? And how will they understand you? When you give them an opportunity to digest what you are saying by taking short pauses. Those pauses are also really important because you've got to use them to strategically breathe in from the nose, keep your diaphragmatic breathing going so that your voice sounds nice, warm, rich, and resonant. Sometimes speaking a little bit faster with the right kind of pauses is going to get you more engagement. When we talk about vocal variation, we talk about things like, besides pace, we talk about volume, we talk about pitch, tonality, emphasis, and all those are great things. But the easiest place for you to start creating variation is with your speed. Sometimes when you're doing really like a fast read and then you suddenly slow down. You could be speaking really fast, building up the excitement, and then you come to the important point and you slow down, and the people who are going to be listening to you will be, whoa, something important is now being said. The moral of the story is coming. You're going to be able to build that anticipation. But remember, whatever you do, you have to punctuate it with enough pauses. I'm going to take a pause and tell you about something that has been a dream of mine for a little while. I have been helping my clients one-on-one, but I wanted to help thousands more, which is why we are launching a brand new community. It's called $1 Million Voice. It's on School, and we also have a free 7-day trial. The link is in the description. Click on it. Make sure that you join by the 5th of July. That's when we have our kickoff call, and we're also going to be launching a 6-week deeper voice challenge. It's going to be very exciting. You're going to get weekly calls with me, and my endeavor, as always, in this community will be to help you come up with the best version of your voice. So check on the link and do check out $1 Million Voice on School. Before I go, there is something else that I want to emphasize when it comes to the pause. I notice a lot of you have too many filler words. Basically. In fact, I've heard that if you do too many, what you are doing is you are increasing the cortisol level in your listener. आप उनको और ज़्यादा stress दे रहे हो, and people have enough stress as it is in their life. So anytime that you feel कि there is a filler word that is coming, all you need to do is pause. Why do you do the filler word in the first case? Because you're trying to buy time to find the next word or the next construct in the sentence. If you, instead of that, just pause, you'll still be able to get that time to think. It'll be clean, there'll be silence, and silence is not the enemy. In fact, silence is power. So this week, I want you to focus on having different pace. They say we speak 150 words a minute. If that's your regular average, 150 words a minute, great, no problem. But also develop the ability to speed it up, to go to 160 to 170 words a minute. With the right pauses, I promise you, you will sound really engaging. And doing this little dance between slow and sometimes going a little fast is what is going to make you very engaging. People will love listening to you. They'll get charged, energized listening to you. So do try it out, and remember, the power lies in the pause. Before I go, a quick reminder that we are launching our community on the 5th of July. Join $1 Million Voice on School. But the best part is that it has a 7-day free trial as well. So all you've got to do is look for the link in the description. Make sure you start your 7-day trial, and do see us for the kickoff call on the 5th of July. I'll see you inside the community.